Yesterday, so I just somehow truncated my class. Truncated in the sense that थोड़ा सा मैं इसको suddenly stop. Basically, the motivation of trying to justify this equation. For example, Dirac equation of form like this. So we are trying to see whether this motivation of trying to just we started this equation and we also arrived having some हमने थोड़ा सा P mu को define it like this in terms of standard gauge potentials and accordingly momentum को भी accordingly we just and we just arrived this Dirac equation of form it took this form. So once we had अपना choice of gauge, we just the question है in the yesterday's class whether this way of writing Dirac equation is it justified or not. ठीक है? Because original जो Schrodinger equation थी ना वो थी second order derivative, it's first order derivative. But once we write this in this form and then these are different matrices, है ना, which are polymatrices. ये एक फॉर्म बट इट्स 4 क्रॉस 4 मैट्रिसेस इसको करने से हाउ कैन वी जस्टिफाई और जस्टिफिकेशन देखो जो हमने ये इंट्रोडक्शन या आंसर वो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड वेदर इट्स जस्टिफाइड और नॉट. सो हमने कल इफ यू रिमेंबर वी ट्राई टू डिफाइन इट इन टर्म्स ऑफ इसमें हमने पॉइसन ब्रैकेट फॉर्मूलेशन एट एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशंस की वो ब्रैकेट फॉर्मूलेशन को यूज करते हुए वी गॉट सम आइडेंटिटीज एंड फर्दर electric field in terms of gauge potential we define like this, and D is del cross A, and using those boundary conditions we arrived at non-relativistic equations. Now what we wanted to do is जो psi है psi, now we want to rather than going for all the originally psi के 4 solutions आ देते plus minus minus plus. ठीक है, फिलहाल हम नेगेटिव एनर्जी सॉल्यूशंस को concentrate on positive energy solutions. So if we concentrate on positive energy solutions, so we'll have sort of two equations. The two equation is psi form in terms of column matrices in terms of phi and chi. Psi that so we not have so we can obtain equation 1.26. 26 means this equation for form. Two forms psi in terms of two component column matrices. Sorry, so we can write it as iota d by dt of this psi can be used in terms of phi and chi. So C. So yesterday this once we do this thing is this P minus E by C. It can be in terms of phi. So we can write it as phi. So once we do this sort of, so we can write it as C sigma dot of pi chi of phi plus E of phi chi plus mc square phi. So we can have like phi chi sin phi chi. We also only consider the derivative of phi psi which we have defined in terms of two column matrices. Okay, which will correspond to those positive energy solutions, not negative energy solutions. So now negative energy solutions हमको negative probabilities देते हैं, which are not allowed. The side square the value does become out positive, negative probabilities. Later we'll see, once we take those very solutions, we can explain antiparticles. Okay. So once we do this, so in non-relativistic limit, the rest energy and square is largest energy in the problem, where phi of chi is phi of chi. तो अब ये है कि देखोगे relativistic limits. Relativistic limits means when particles go through at very, जिस तरह हमने कल कहा था ना, x goes to x plus x prime. So what we do? We'll see थोड़ा सा Hamiltonian में slight change in Hamiltonian, and once we integrate the Hamiltonian, we can get the Cauchy equation back. In the same way, since we are dealing with the relativistic equation, but हम इसको non-relativistic correspondence देखेंगे. So we'll try to see things at lower velocities. So things at lower velocities, we can write correspondence like this. If you change one parameter to another parameter, this to this, chi prime, yeah, chi prime to chi, and this is this thing as a parameter. Where phi and chi are slowly varying functions of time. Now, which are basically solutions of the coupled equations. And coupled equation की solution अगर इसमें देखेंगे, so it will take this form. I will dA by dt. Y of chi is basically C sigma dot pi chi of phi plus P of phi of chi. Minus, आप देखो उसको थर्ड टर्म में हम उसको माइनस को बाहर निकालेंगे. सिंस वी आर जस्ट सब्स्टिट्यूशन काल के बदले आप लिखोगे, सो इसको आप यहाँ पर लिखोगे. सो यू कैन आल्सो राइट इट लाइक दिस. फॉर स्मॉल velocities you can write chi, where chi is basically sigma dot pi into phi twice times. So आप इसको यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट करो. You can have a sort of this form. So अब हमारे पास ये substitution किया हमने, and we define these parameterization like this. Modulo is mediated by this factor, where t is the time. तो हमारे पास जो equation की form I for, since we are not taking at higher velocity, we are taking u by c is less than 1. जिस तरह हम बता रहे थे ये वाली इक्वेशन, इसमें we can also get higher order terms. So we are neglecting higher order terms what we need. ठीक है, we are concentrating on first few orders of this expansion. So that's why it's called non-relativistic equation with these conditions. अब अगर आप देखोगे तो यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा काम है, which I just आप अपनी जगह करना उसको काम. So अगर इसका पहला वाला टर्म लिखेंगे, दिस वन, इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको इसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसके साथ ये जीरो आएगा. इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म इसको दिस अपर मैट्रिक्स कॉलम E. So it will take this form. I write it here. So it will be I will h d5 by dt. I will h d5 by dt. It's sigma dot pi. क्योंकि कार के बाद क्या होगा? sigma dot pi applying एक sigma dot pi chi की वजह से. You can see it here, है ना? chi की वैल्यू केवल ये डालते हैं. एक तो sigma dot pi अपना है, एक sigma dot pi यहाँ से. So it's sigma dot pi. What? This is E phi phi. 5 को बाहर निकालो, so you can write it like this. And the third term, we can say this is 0. So इसका फॉर्म लिया है. अब थोड़ा सा further, which I'll just after these there are identities which you have to do at your own place. Get a pencil and pen, please, and which I'll. तो इसमें sigma dot a into sigma dot b is equal to a dot b plus iota sigma dot b, because this one identity. Sigma dot pi into sigma dot pi can be written as pi square. So it's equal to pi square minus h by c sigma dot. So these are identities, just like some of the vector identities. So it's your job. If you see to the book, or they verify this, verify. So you have to verify it. So if you don't, you are not able to, you can do one of them here. So अगर ये verify करके, so this the form ये है, it's equal to this. तो इसको हम यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. So we'll see तो जो equation का form है क्या है? Equation v equation will take this form, and the h d phi dt. It will be sigma dot sigma is going to a square, pi square. No, sorry, pi square. But pi, if you remember, it's equal to this. Pi is going to be e minus a by c. So it will be plus b e a by c. Pi square. So it's this is equal to this. Pehla term pi square, and second term, since it's divided into 2. So e phi b के बदले आप लिखोगे what this नहीं पहली term पे ही आएगा.
सर ये आएगा e by s divided by c sigma b.
ठीक है, प्लस आप so if you see, this is a sort of equation, इसको हम कहते हैं Pauli equation. This is also called, which is recognized as Pauli equation. It's like, if you remember, जब हमने किया था ना early attempts of quantum field theory, तो उसमें हमने किया था Pauli, Jordan algebra, Dirac algebra, different ways. So in order to explain the spin of the electron, so it was called, it's called as Pauli equation. A Pauli equation क्यों कहते हैं? So it's also gives us a sort of confidence that you are on the right track. कैसे? This you can say like this. So this will give us confidence that one, because we have arrived from this equation from this and this and इन्हीं दो इक्वेशन को पुश करते करते we arrived, but we are assuming that Dirac equation की form ये है. This should not be second order, this should be first. So we did not have any reasons for that. But once we took these equations, we arrived at this equation. But this is Pauli equation, so it will seem that this equation describes the spin of the electron. This describes the magnetic moment of the electron. Determined. वो कैसे? For example, these two components of phi suffice to accommodate two spin degrees of freedom of spin 1 of electron and correct magnetic moment of spin spin half of the electron. कैसे? ये तो एक ये है कि एक तो spin degree of freedom और magnetic moment of electron is encoded in this. With books में आप अक्सर देखते होंगे gyromagnetic reaction. सुना है?
Yes.
हम कहते हैं G is equal to spin. Once you study classical mechanics also, spin the different parameters. But once we go to quantum mechanics or relatives to quantum mechanics, it's spin of the electrons. The reaction of magnetic moment, it comes exactly 2. और यहाँ पर आप देखो, the thing is that again, if we do one thing, if we have use यहाँ पर B is curl of A, या B is curl of A, and A is 1/2 B cross R. तो we are going to substitute B का वैल्यू यहाँ पर, ठीक है? It will be B के बदले क्या है? A dot B cross, पहले B लिखिए, B सिग्मा डॉट, इसके बदले डेल क्रॉस A, सिग्मा के बदले लिखिए डेल क्रॉस A, A के बदले क्या लिखिए? सिग्मा लिखिए डेल क्रॉस B cross. Again, you are A cross B plus, so carry B into A dot C minus C into A dot B. So the equation, once you do this thing out here, this term now correctly, so that the final equation will take this form. It will take this form. This value minus E by 2mc L plus s dot b into phi. Here further L जो यहाँ पर है L is equal to L is इसलिए angular moment, L is equal to R cross P, and S जो हमारे पास है 1/2 x sigma, and जो आइगन वैल्यूज होंगे उसके भी वैल्यूज आएंगे प्लस माइनस h by। अब ये आपके लिए काम यहाँ पर है डूइंग दिस, ठीक है, because इसका करके and just try to substitute in here, and further once you substitute here, further L को momentum को in terms of R and P define, and once you do rearranging the terms, ठीक है, again it's the book has not written the intermediate steps, ठीक है, so it's a job, आपका काम है ये do this thing, ठीक है, so to verify that we really arrive from this step to after this, but at the end what do we arrive at? अगर आप फिलहाल मानना नहीं है, but if you want to convince yourself, go at your place, take a rough copy, it will take 5-6 30 minutes, आधा घंटा, ठीक है, try to verify it, then it will really be satisfied आपने। But this is the first time ग्राफ नहीं किया होगा या पॉली नहीं किया, ऐसे ही किया होगा। जब आप ये ऐसे पूछें यहाँ पर, तो what does it mean? It means that spin with B gives the correct magnetic field corresponding to value 2, जो आप कहते हैं, जो हमारे पास कैलकुलेशन में होता है 2, which is the gyromagnetic ratio, original gyromagnetic ratio, twice that. ये होता है exact this, इसमें spin भी आता है, इसके आइगन वैल्यूज भी आते हैं प्लस माइनस, ठीक है, ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ स्पिन डायरेक्शन में or orientation in the other direction. So it accounts for both magnetic moment, spin B with correct magnetic moment of electron corresponding to the value of G is equal to H by 2. So this means so we have been 45. So 45 means if Dirac introduces this equation ka this form, equation A and B, and doing the algebra whatever we did, we at the end arrive at an equation which will give us the correct description of the spin of electron. So this means we are on the right track. ठीक है? But इसमें हमने ये काम किया नेगेटिव एनर्जी सॉल्यूशंस को हमने फिलहाल इग्नोर किया. तो हमने मैट्रिसेस में मान लेते हैं 2 cross 2 column matrices. We don't take 4. ठीक है? So once later we are going to incorporate those negative energy solutions and we are going to see how they correspond to the antiparticles. ठीक है? फिलहाल ये है. And in the further class we must investigate हाँ ये कह रहा है negative energy solutions को भी हम investigate करें जो मैं कह रहा था. And we have to introduce the Lorentz covariance of Dirac. Lorentz covariance क्या होता है? Lorentz means we are incorporating special theory. Although अगर आप देखेंगे कि हमने higher order terms को neglect किया, ठीक है? But first term में है ना relativistic correction first term आया, ठीक है? 1 minus b square by c square plus 5 binomial method, है ना? So this is the we also show the relativistic covariance of Dirac equation. So it is Lorentz invariant and our these two assumptions are right. ठीक है?
Suppose we are 0.6